first we will study about adverb of manner. So look at the following sentences. The boy slept soundly. These students write badly. The lion roared loudly. I love you truly. In these sentences, the words soundly, badly, loudly and truly add something to the meaning of the verbs. These adverbs are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question how. In these sentences, the verb was slept, write, roared and love. And the words soundly, badly, loudly, truly, these are your adverbs. So adverb of manner answers the question how. How did the bird sing? The bird sang sweetly. How did the boy run? The boy ran quickly. How did she write in the notebook? She wrote badly. So these words answer the question how, kaise. That's why these are called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answers the question how. Next we will study adverb of place. Now look here some sentences. Adverb of place. Come here. The bus goes there. She worked abroad for a year. My elder brother has gone out. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. So the words here, there, abroad, out and everywhere, these are adverbs of place and they answer the question where. So adverb of place answers the question where, and the words like here, there, in, out, nowhere, these are adverbs of place. Next we study adverb of time. What will be the adverb of time? Which question will it answer? Time hai, so it will answer the question when. Adverb of time answers the question when. यानी कि कोई एक्शन है तो वो एक्शन कब हुआ. Now look at these sentences. We arrived early the next day. We arrived is the verb. When did we arrive? Early. Where are you living? Now. Living is the verb and now is adverb of time. The train is departing soon. Finish your work today. We shall go. Go is verb. Tomorrow. So the words early, now, soon, today, tomorrow, this tell us when the action happens and they are adverb of time. They answer the question when. And yesterday, now, soon, these are the words which tells us about adverb of time. It answers the question when. So the words which answers the question how, these are adverb of manner. The word that answers the question where are your adverb of place, and which answers the question when is your adverb of. Next we study adverbs of frequency. See the following sentences. My brother always tells the truth. We seldom watch TV these days. She is rarely seen in public nowadays. I go to church regularly. You never help me. In these sentences, the words always, seldom, rarely, regularly and never tell us how often someone does something or how often something takes place. They are called adverb of frequency and they answer the question how often. How often means कितनी फ्रिक्वेंटली आप किसी काम को करते हो. हमेशा करते हो, ऑलवेज, या नेवर, कभी नहीं करते हो, या सेल्डम मीन्स कभी कभी करते हो, रेयरली मीन्स वेरी रेयरली, कभी बहुत ही कम टाइम्स करते हो, ओके, या रेगुलरली मीन्स एवरीडे करते हो. सो दीज वर्ड्स टेल द फ्रीक्वेंसी हाउ ऑफन यू डू अ वर्क. ओके, सो दीज वर्ड्स आर आवर एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. See the following sentences. He is very intelligent. This rope is too short. Their house is quite small. Her English is almost flawless. We got thoroughly wet in the rain. Now these words very, too, quite, almost and thoroughly, they add something to the meaning of the adjectives and they are called adverb of degree. and they answer the question in what degree or to what extent. So one thing you have to notice in this adverb of degree, what we said that adverbs, in the definition we said that the adverb of a word that modifies the meaning of verb और an adjective. जो adverb होते हैं वो या तो verb की meaning को modify करते हैं, verb के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं, या फिर वो adjectives के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. So in other sentences we saw that it is describing a verb, but in this sentences, in adverb of degree examples, you can see he is very intelligent. Here the word intelligent is adjective. No, he is very intelligent. He is the subject in the sentence. The word intelligent is describing the word he, and very is describing the word intelligent. कितना intelligent है वो? Very intelligent. So here the word very is modifying an adjective intelligent. Okay, so this is adverb of degree. In all these sentences you can see they are describing the house is quite small. Small is an adjective and quite is adverb. It is describing an adjective here. He is almost flawless. Flawless is adjective and almost is describing it. We got thoroughly wet in the rain. Here it is describing a verb. It is describing a verb here. So these words are your adverb of degree. Now the last one we will study is interrogative adverbs. By the word interrogative means you understand that asking question. See these sentences here. Read the following sentences. How does it work? When can I see you? Where do you live? Why are you late? In these sentences the words how, when, where and why ask questions, and they are called interrogative adverbs. Now see in the first sentence how. How is your interrogative adverb of manner. In the second sentence when is interrogative adverb of time. Where in the third sentence the word where is interrogative adverb of place, and in the fourth sentence why is interrogative adverb of reason. Okay. So in the interrogative sentences where these words are coming how, when, where and why, these words are your interrogative adverbs. So these are three more kinds of adverbs that we'll study. Adverb of frequency, it answers the question how often. The words like always, never, seldom, rare, these are adverb of frequency. Then adverb of degree, it shows to what extent, कितना work किया आपने. Very, to, quite, almost, it shows to what extent. These words are your adverb of degree. And then you study interrogative adverbs. So in the interrogative sentences, there are words like how, when, where and why, this shows interrogative adverbs. These are examples of interrogative adverbs.